Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So I'm at work, which, that's what we got to do when we want to become everyday millionaires. We got to go to work, and then we got to build sources of income on the side. So that's what I'm here talking about today. I'm talking about my 1 million challenge. And my question is, do you have what it takes to be an average Joe millionaire? Do you have what it takes to build that generational wealth? And if so, hey, keep watching, because that's what I'm talking about here. So I'm at work. I haven't done a Road to 1 Million challenge update. So what I want to come on here and tell you is, hey, what I've been doing with that. So anybody that's new to my channel, I know I got some new people. All you people that have been here a while, this is just old hat to you. But I'm basically trying to do a 1 million challenge, and I want to create $1 million in 2 years using nothing but side hustle money. So what does that mean? I'm using referral links. I'm using just anything I can use. I've got referral links down in the description. I use those. Money back from my credit cards, I use those. That's one thing I've been doing. I've been credit card churning. So I get a sign-on bonus that goes towards my Road to 1 Million challenge. So basically, that's the gist of it. I want to show people that you are not anchored to your past. Once again, old news for everybody that's been here a while. I spent 11 years in prison. I went to prison when I was 18. I got out when I was 29, almost 30. So 11 years in prison, and I want to show that it doesn't affect who I am. I'm still going to reach that millionaire status regardless of what my past is. So, and I just want to tell everybody, you can do the same thing. So, like I said, I'm using all side hustle money. So anything I get selling on just Facebook, whatever. I want to set up an eBay store. I haven't done it yet, but I mean, I have an eBay, but I haven't set up the store yet. I'm going to start financial coaching. I need to reach out and get a hold of some people at some counseling services, see what they're doing, what they want to do with that, see if we can work something out, because I want to help people that have been in jail, or have been to prison, or, are suffering, addiction, stuff like that. That way I can reach out and help them, and they're not reoffending. The whole point of this video, after my nice little bit of rambling, which is getting everybody caught up, is what have I been doing so far? Now, I don't have my exact numbers. Sorry, completely ill prepared. I just wanted to kill some time while I was sitting here being unloaded. But what I have been doing is I've been trading crypto. Now, Ethereum in particular. I'll take $100, and when I make a 25% profit, I'll flip it. And then I've managed to take 200 and flip that up to 300. And so that's 4 times that I've made 25% profit. But what I'm thinking about doing is 25 is a big jump. So I'm thinking about making it 10%, 5-10%, because it'll swing 5-10% in 2-3 days. And that way I can sell and then wait on the drawback, then sell, wait on the drawback, So I've been doing that. I think the last time I did one of these, my numbers were right about 1,100, 1,200, something like that. I don't know. But I'll leave the number on the screen of how much I made, or maybe Editing Leroy will come in and tell you how much he has all set aside. Okay, so here's Editing Leroy. This is what I have so far. So in August, I received $10.75 from Amazon, $30 that I transferred over from Capital One's for rewards, and I still owe myself $150 on that. Actually, I owe myself $165 because I just used 15 more. And then I got $157.61 from my State Farm. and $10 from Amazon, and then $10 from Reclaim, which is another app that I use. So what I'm going to do quick is I am going to change this 150 to 165 so that I remember. There's that. And this side is everything I've done with a lot of that money's actually gone into Ethereum. So here's what we did. February 25th, I sold $119.16 at $30.50. February 28th, I bought $100 more at $26.50. March 9th, I sold $115.09 at $30.50. Then I bought 100 at $33.50 on the 30th. May 12th, I bought 100 at $1949.99. May 17th, I bought 100 at $2102.79. May 19th, I bought $99.96, basically 100. These were all supposed to be 100 increments, but you know how they do stuff. So $99.96 at $1999.28. May 27th, $100 at $17.50. June 13th, another $99.98 at $1224.82. July 7th, another $99.98 at $1249.77. These are all buys. I bought all that, so I dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's $700 right there. And then July 17th, I had taken some of the ones that were the lower buys and they had gone up. So I took 200 of them. I had made 25% profit on it. I sold $250.03 at $1575.20. July 22nd, I bought another $100, $99.98 at $1599.62. August 10th, I sold that 125. Or I sold 125.06 at $2,094. August 13th, I bought $299.97 at $1979.77, and that's where the 300 came in because I had already saved up from my sales. I had gotten basically $100 in profit, so I took the 200 that I had in there, added the 100 in profit, and dropped that right into some more Ethereum. And then on August 21st, I transferred some more money over to my account, and $99.91 at $1588.57. So my total profit from right there so far is $109.34. That plus $609.34, that was just basically what everything that I sold added up to, but the profit was $109.34. And I've put $1299.78. That's what I've spent so far, and my profit's been $109.34. So obviously I'm down right now because I've got some of that stuff up at the top there that's all higher numbers. Right now Ethereum's sitting right around 1588, so I'm breaking even on this August 21st. But that's the one I'm thinking about, like I said, every 7 or 5 to 10%, and then I'm going to start flipping it just to get that, $10 or whatever profit that way, because it's about building wealth. It's not about, if I'm trying to do it quick. So if I can get those 10% gains, I'm making $5. $1 goes to taxes, so we'll see. But there it is, editing Leroy. Back to video Leroy. But like I said, I've been trading crypto. I've got that set aside in my Robinhood account. I'm about ready to get a $25 gift card from Marlboro because I put in the Marlboro points. I'm going to cash out on Reclaim. They owe me $10. I got $10 coming from them. I just got $10 from Amazon shopping program, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to get a little bit more because I think I have $26 on Amazon gift cards. 26 free dollars that Amazon has given me for uploading 10 receipts. And sorry, just stuff around me at works. catching my attention. But so $26, so I'm going to add another 20 to that, and I'm going to buy a book from Financial Coach Academy, I think it's called. So, and then I'm really going to buckle down on my financial coaching. I've been buckling down on that because I want that to be a good side hustle, and that I can transcend transition. There's the big word I'm looking for. So that I can transition into financial coaching full time. So I'm plugging along. I'm sure there's a million things I'm not even thinking about. Why? Because I don't script this, and I was completely ill prepared. But like I'm doing the credit card churning. So every couple of months, I open a credit card, get that $150, $200 bonus, and that gets added to it. So I've done that 3 times. I just signed up for a credit card, and they shot me down because I've opened too many lines of revolving credit recently, because I've opened, I don't know, four credit cards this year. So yeah, they didn't. They're like, nope. But I'll try that one again here pretty soon. I'm sure they'll give it to me here relatively soon, because I mean, I don't hold a balance on any of them, and that's the whole point of credit card churning. You get those points, you get that sign-on bonus, but you pay off your balance in full every month so that you don't pay any interest. It's the easiest way to do it. And I've been setting up my credit card so that I got one credit card, a State Farm Visa, that the only thing I use it for is to pay my insurance. Because if I use it to pay my State Farm insurance, then I get 3% cash back. So there we go. I've been using that to pay that, and then the other ones I get 2% and a 1.5% cash back. So plus my sign-on bonuses. And if this is something that interests you and you want a Capital One Quicksilver card, I'll leave a link to the down below, where if you guys use my link, I'll get, it's not an affiliate link, but it's a referral link. So I'll get some money for that. Not 100% certain. They say 150, but I don't know if that's true or not. So, but if you want a Quicksilver card that'll give you 1.5% cash back, I love that card. That's what I use for everything. I use it for everything. 1.5% across the board, and there's revolving businesses that offer, say, 2%, 3%, 4%, so that's always a good thing. And I'll leave that description. I'll leave a link to that referral link down below. And all my other referral links, if you want to check them out. So, but that's basically it. That's my road to 1 million. If you want to check it out, check out this playlist that I got going on here. That'll be my road to 1 million playlist. And the other video up here will be the 5 side hustles that require $0 and no skills to start. And this is the stuff I'm using for my my road to 1 million challenge. So, all right, everybody, there it is. If you want to get it, you got to get out and do it. And it's not going to be easy. This challenge has not been easy. I thought it'd be a little easier. It is definitely not as easy as I thought it would be, but it is what it is, so you got to hustle, go at it, get it, and just keep going. All right, everybody, have a good one.